And I'm an application specialist for Tekla structures. Today we'll be discussing getting started with Tekla structures, and we'll be focusing on Trimble identities, what they are, and how to manage them. Specifically, we'll cover creating a Trimble identity, how to access your account, and then inviting other users and managing those identities. First, let's define what a Trimble identity is. It is a login and a password for you to access Tekla online services. In addition to these services, you can also use your Trimble identity with other Trimble services. The main user or administrator can establish their organization or company within online services and invite others and manage those users. The benefit of this is that all users within an organization will collectively have access to all the services provided under your subscription or maintenance agreement. Tekla online services include access to Tekla structures, access to the Tekla warehouse, and access to Tekla model sharing. For Trimble online services, you can also access Trimble Connect, or the SketchUp 3D warehouse, and many more. For more information and a complete list of online services, please visit www.tekla.com/services. To create a Trimble identity, you will need to proceed to the account creation page. You can use the link provided below, or you can proceed to www.account.tekla.com. Then click the Login button, and finally click the Create New Trimble ID hyperlink below the login fields. Either method will bring you to the account creation page. Simply populate the fields as required and click the Create New Account button. Once you do, you will receive notification that it was successful, and an email has been sent to your account that you provided for verification. Proceed to your inbox and open that email, and click the Verify Account button. Once this is done, you may log into services with your Trimble identity. Once logged in, you'll be brought into your online profile. At the top of this page, you'll notice other tabs where you can access information on your organization, licenses, and roles. On the My Profile tab, you can update and add additional information about you. This information is visible to other users if you choose to post on the Tekla online forums, or can be viewed internally by administrators within your organization. On the My Organization tab, you are able to see your company or organization. If you are the administrator, you can also access the Admin tool by clicking the button in the upper right. The Online Admin tool allows you to manage the employees you have or invite new ones. Until you invite users to your organization and they accept, those users will not have access to Tekla online services such as downloading extensions from the warehouse. To invite users, simply click on the Invite Employees button and supply the respective email addresses in the pop-up dialog, then hit Send Invites. For a more detailed breakdown of the Online Admin tool, see the link provided in the description, or visit our Tekla User Assistance website and search for Manage Trimble Identities and Tekla Online Licenses. This concludes our video on Trimble Identities for getting started with Tekla structures. Thank you for watching. For more information on the topics discussed in this video, please see the information listed in the description. For other topics, make sure to visit our Tekla User Assistance webpage for product guides, support articles, tutorials, and more.